Okay, so a lot of downloads have been coming through about parallel universe. Now, I'm no scientist, and I frankly can't exactly tell you what that theory is, and it has yet to be proven. At least that was what a really lazy Google search told me. But the parallel universe, even though maybe the scientific backing isn't there yet, perhaps Marvel is helping us get there. Perhaps Family Guy is helping us get there. Rick and Morty, all those shows. But the parallel universe thing through a spiritual lens, through a conscious lens, makes a lot of sense, because not only is it every time you make a choice, there is an alternate reality, an alternate storyline that is created in that choice. You know, if you were to picture moving through life like you are traveling down a road or on a highway, you know, and so you keep aging, you keep, going further, basically, right? And with every choice that you make, they could be so little or so big. The emotions behind them don't correlate to how many universes it creates, right? One is one. One choice creates a parallel universe with the choice that you didn't take, right? So just imagine that. Imagine that you're constantly, getting these exit signs on your existential highway, and you are choosing to either turn off, the course, the path that you're on, to find a different route, right? To make a stop somewhere. Maybe you're getting distracted by a person or a job or whatever that is, but you still are in close contact to your destined path, right? And even if you stay on your path, when you are aware that you have a choice to do something else and you stay on your path, that in and of itself also creates a parallel universe, right? An alternate reality, whereas this is what could still have existed for you. Since you were able to think about it, since you were able to cognize about it, it was created, it was real in some form, right? Otherwise, you wouldn't have been able to see it or to think about it. It was tangible. So imagine that we are constantly doing that. We are constantly choosing, just like we drive down a roadway and we choose which roads to turn onto to get places. We're doing that in a much bigger existential lens in life. Every choice gets us farther, right? Some faster than other choices. And regardless of how good the choices are or how aligned they are with you, whenever you are cognizant or aware that you have a choice, there, in that moment, when that awareness exists, that alternate reality is also in existence, which it does not initiate until you move forward in your choice, So it's like, we picture the alternate reality as like this portal. The choice that we didn't take, it's like the door thing. It's like choosing one door or the other, choosing to stay in your lane or to take an exit, right? And it's that same thing. And so we don't know what's behind either choice until we do it. We don't really know what's on that exit, Maybe we've been down it before. It's a road that we've gone down before, but we don't know its conditions today and what that looks like, It could be totally different from the day before. Just like we don't know what's going on behind a door until we open it, until we choose to go through it, right? So just think about that. And then check for the second part of this, which is a different theory.